In a sunlit forest, a cunning fox reveals clever, foraging tricks that turn barren days into surprising, nourishing meals for its den. On a coral reef, parrotfish sculpt shimmering sand beds that become safe homes for countless tiny critters and mollusks. Meanwhile, a humble honeybee demonstrates how thriving ecosystems depend on small shared duties like pollen sharing and nest cleaning. A surprising owl moth migration hints at ancient, almost mythical patterns guiding nocturnal travelers across winds and distant cities. Together, these short tales inspire eco-friendly habits for families, recycling, reducing plastic, supporting sustainable brands, and protecting wild places.